So today we're here to explore a vital question that every business owner or innovator usually faces whenever they're starting a new business or launching a new product or service. How do you check if something is trademarked? Let's get into it. Before we dive into the details, it's pretty important to clear up some common misconceptions about trademark protection, such as the limitation of common law rights, the difference between domain name registration and trademark protection, and the territorial nature of trademarks. Understanding these nuances ensure you approach trademark protection with clarity. So why is verifying trademark registration so crucial? It's crucial because you want legal protection and also prevention of infringement when you're building your brand's reputation. It helps you have enforcement and remedies readily available. So verifying that trademark registration safeguards your brand's identity and paves the way for long-term success. You're going to keep covering up exposed cracks in the foundation of your business if you don't do the basics right. So how do you verify if a trademark is registered? It begins with a detailed trademark search. Start with a trademark search that utilizes the USPTO's Trademark Electronic Search System. Consider international trademark search platforms or engage professional services to scour existing trademarks. Analyze the search results. Carefully inspect results for similarity in appearance, sound, or meaning, related goods or services, and prior registration dates. This will help identify potential conflicts. Hire a trademark attorney. A qualified trademark lawyer, like yours truly, can provide guidance, perform comprehensive searches, assess risks, and handle infringement proceedings. Check state databases. Don't forget to consult state-level databases to prevent local conflicts. A lot of times, even with federal trademark registration, a trademark owner with a prior registration in a state can have superior rights than the one with federal registration. So it's important to check if the name, logo, or other source identifier you want to protect is actually enforceable everywhere it will be available. Utilize monitoring tools. Stay updated and proactive with online trademark monitoring tools that alert you to potential infringements. Something as simple as Google Alerts to enlisting professional monitoring services with the assistance of a trademark attorney can be beneficial to your brand's protection. Navigating the world of trademarks doesn't have to be daunting. With a clear understanding and the right guidance, you can confidently protect your intellectual property, and at Drishti Law, we're committed to assisting you every step of the way. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach us at 773-234-1139 or reach us out on our website, www.drishtilaw.com. We're here to provide tailored solutions for your unique needs. And if you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And for more insights, keep watching. As always, this is Sahil Malhotra. Thank you for watching. Remember, your brand's future begins with knowledge and action. Protect it wisely.